Did I cut what?
That.
That? What's that?
A point where you cut it. Did you?
Did I cut the barn door? No, I just took them off.
You took them off?
Yeah.
But I like that thing. But why is it cut up then?
It's not. Those are two different doors.
Why did you do that, Dad? I didn't want you to do that.
I'm sorry.
You fix it back together.
Sure.
I like that.
Okay, I'll fix it.
What is in that thing? Smells like a grill.
I'm gonna go take a look at what happened to our barn. What did I do while you guys were resting? Huh? Gee. No skunks. Probably bats though, for sure. Yep. It's a big opening. That's when they used to slaughter cows. Yep.
What did you use this for?
To lift up the door, to get it off. Well, the plan is to put new doors. Gotta source some new hardware. Hopefully I can find something comparable. It's old antique stuff. Yeah, that's old.
What is this thing?
Some old iron.
Iron?
Yeah.
What are you using? Hey! I found something.
So just got back from the hardware store because all the hardware that was existing all rusted out. She's crazy. So I'm just going to, I was also missing one of those and I couldn't find a replica of the antique one, so closest thing I could find was that modern version, unfortunately. So I'm just going to take some sandpaper, scrape down the straps and give it a little coating. Be back in a little bit. Alright, so it's not the best, but I made something to hold them off the ground. I could try to get all around them. Let's see how it turns out. Better than that.
It's neat. I like it now.
Not bad. So I'm trying to lay out where the straps go according to where the existing hinges were. And I'm not liking where they're lining up. They're not centered. So I'm playing with the adjustment of the tape measure, moving it up and down, and unfortunately it looks like this is the best it's going to be. drawing board. Had a hard time putting that door up. A couple minor adjustments, and we got it up. But now it's wound up on the concrete on the bottom and the fascia up top. But it is up. Measuring now for the second door.
Reference me, the Gilla Gorilla. One of my favorite cartoons when I was about 4.
Magilla Gorilla, what's that
Do
from?
you remember that?
No, I never heard it.
An oldie.
Black and white cartoon.
Black and white cartoon.